everyone, it's Tamara here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be making these cool Shirley Temple popsicles. Right now, it's so hot, and I promise you, it's going to be a nice, cool, sweet treat. All right, let's get started. We're going to need some 7-Up or Sprite, a measuring cup, some grenadine syrup, popsicle molds, some orange juice, a spoon, and some maraschino cherries. Alright, let's get started. For our first step, we're going to pour some of the 7-Up into our measuring cup. Next, we're going to pour in the orange juice into our measuring cup. For our third step, we're going to pour some of the grenadine into the measuring cup. You only need about 3 spoons of the grenadine for this step. Once you're finished pouring in the grenadine, you're going to stir everything together. Doesn't the color look so great? Next, we're going to take the mixture and pour it into our popsicle molds. Be careful not to put too much in, as you don't want it to overflow when it freezes. Next, we're going to add our cherries to our popsicle molds. You can add as much or as little cherries as you'd like. Next, we're going to take our lids and securely place them back onto our popsicle molds. Make sure you press down all the way and that they're tightly on. Once all the lids are on securely, we're going to place the molds into the freezer and wait till everything to be frozen. Then it will be time to enjoy. And here it is, our Shirley Temple popsicle. Doesn't it look amazing? I love how all the cherries are at the top, so that's the first part you're going to get. Comment down below and let me know how yours turned out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos from the Boys and Girls Club. And I'll see you next time. Bye!